In this video, I'll show you how to create a negative text color mask animation in CapCut PC. First, go to the Text tab and add a default text to the timeline. Type the number 1 and adjust its size and scale to cover the entire screen. Change the text color to yellow. Duplicate this text layer and change the color to black. Next, go back to the Text tab and add another default text to the timeline. Type your desired text and customize its style. Change this text color to yellow. Duplicate this text layer and change the color to black. Now, select both the black text and yellow background layers. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Then select the black background and yellow text layers, right-click, and create another compound clip. Go to the Video Mask tab and click Add Mask. Then choose the circle mask. Move the playhead forward and add a mask keyframe. Return the playhead to the start position and adjust the mask size to a single dot. Continue moving the playhead forward and adjust the mask position as needed. Repeat this process several times. When finished, click play to preview your animation. If the animation is too fast, double-click the compound clip and extend the layer duration by dragging its edges. Return to the compound clip and extend its overall duration. Repeat this process for the other compound clip. Finally, adjust the spacing between keyframes to slow down the animation speed. That's it! Hope this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching!